When I first picked up Secrets of Closing the Sale by Zig Ziglar, I expected a book about clever tactics and sharp comebacks. Instead, Zig taught me something deeper. Selling is serving. Every conversation starts with a simple truth. I'm here to help, not just to sell. You see, people don't buy with logic alone. They buy with their hearts and then justify with their heads. So when I share a story, maybe about someone whose life changed because of what I offered, I connect, I inspire, and I listen. But here's the real magic. It's not about talking more. It's about asking better questions. What truly matters to you? How would this change your day? These questions guide people to their own answers, their own yes. Objections? Zig says to welcome them before they even appear. I address worries with honesty and confidence, turning doubts into opportunities to show real value. And when it's time to close, I act as if we're already on this journey together. When you start, not if, because confidence is contagious. Above all, I bring real enthusiasm, because people buy from people they trust and believe in. So remember, closing isn't an event, it's a process. Every moment, every story, every question builds to that moment of trust. Serve first, sell second. That's the Ziglar secret.